This is stock number 161529, a 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 HD regular cab, four-wheel drive, lifted. Exterior color is Summit White. Interior options, you have manual windows, mirrors, and locks, manual driver seat with lumbar support, light controls, cruise control, comes equipped with OnStar, AM/FM radio with CD player, auxiliary capabilities, climate controls, traction controls, four-wheel drive lock. Your center console doubles as a seat. Upholstery is cloth, color is ebony. Comes equipped with tube steps, 20-inch rims, fender flares, trailer tow package, spray and box liner. Once again, this is stock number 161529, a 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 HD regular cab, lifted four-wheel drive. Exterior color is Summit White.